TROMjaro 20260.113 is a significant update for this Manjaro-based distribution, which continues its mission of providing a trade-free and user-centric computing environment. This release further refines its highly customized Xfce desktop, aiming to offer the power of Arch Linux without the technical hurdles. As a rolling release derivative, TROMjaro bundles the latest core updates from the Manjaro stable branch, including the Linux 6.18 kernel and Mesa 25.3 drivers, ensuring modern hardware compatibility. It maintains its unique identity by pre-configuring privacy-focused tools like a hardened Firefox with built-in ad and tracker blocking, integrated VPN support via Riseup, and access to the chaotic KUR for a vast selection of precompiled packages. The headline feature of this release is the official return of the Unity-style layout as the default desktop experience. The development team successfully integrated the GTK-Noxed package and custom theming to resolve long-standing issues with header bars, client-side decorations in GNOME apps, allowing them to finally blend seamlessly into the top panel when maximized, mimicking the classic Ubuntu Unity workflow. Other notable changes include global menu and HUD, improved integration of the global menu and the heads-up display. HUD, allowing users to search through application menus via a searchable overlay. Enhanced layout switcher. The TROMjaro layout switcher has been updated to be context-aware. It now automatically toggles system-wide window decorations, depending on whether you choose the Unity, macOS, or Windows layout. Software cleanup. Following the project's minimal philosophy, several redundant packages were removed from the ISO to keep the installation lean, encouraging users to install only what they need via the web-based, trade-free App Store. Bug fixes. Resolved an issue where some Chromium and Firefox-based browsers displayed double window buttons or lacked a top bar entirely when using specific layouts.
Turn up. Let's go.